Welcome back to IPR Uncovered. IP as shown in Shark Tank India. Today, we are talking about a brand that aimed to empower aspiring authors and simplify the publishing process. We are talking about Bookleaf Publishing. The pitch, a new chapter for authors. The founders of Bookleaf Publishing stepped into the tank with a pitch that promised to revolutionize self-publishing. Their brand is a self-publishing platform that provides a one-click process for authors to publish their books and ebooks. They offer a suite of services, including editing, cover design, and global distribution, while allowing authors to retain 100% of their royalties. It was a pitch that focused on democratizing publishing and giving authors full creative control. The founders' pitch highlighted the numerous benefits of their platform. It's more affordable than traditional publishing, provides faster turnaround times, and offers complete transparency with live sales reports. They were selling a solution that was not only innovative but also a tool for literary empowerment. The ask? A confident 90 lakhs rupees for 5% equity, valuing the company at 18 crores rupees. This valuation was a testament to their belief in the platform's potential to disrupt the massive publishing industry. IPR Uncovered, the platform's foundation. Now, let's get to the most crucial part of this analysis, their intellectual property. For a platform like Bookleaf Publishing, which relies on a service-based model and proprietary tools, IP is its most valuable asset. The founders were very clear that they had a strong IP portfolio, including trademarks and copyrights. The core of their IP is their proprietary editorial tools and the overall design of their platform. This is protected by copyright, which gives Bookleaf Publishing the exclusive right to their creative works, including the user interface and software. This prevents competitors from copying their unique platform and its functionalities. This is a crucial defensible moat that justifies their valuation and gives the sharks confidence that they're investing in a unique, protected brand, not just a product that could be easily replicated. Additionally, their brand name, Bookleaf Publishing, is protected by a trademark, which prevents brand confusion in the market. The combination of strong copyrights and trademarks shows that the founders are not just building a platform, but a valuable, defensible brand. The outcome, a no deal despite the innovative concept and a compelling pitch. The founders of Bookleaf Publishing ultimately left the tank without a deal. The no deal outcome was likely due to a few key reasons. First, the sharks were concerned about market competition. They felt that the company faced stiff competition from global players like Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, which already has a massive user base. Second, the sharks had concerns about the scalability of the business model. They were not convinced that the founders had a clear path to scale their operations while maintaining the personalized support they were known for. The combination of a highly competitive market and a lack of a clear business strategy led to a no deal. Closing note: the story of Bookleaf Publishing is a powerful reminder that while an innovative idea is a great starting point, a startup must also have a clear, scalable business model, a strong IP strategy, and a realistic valuation to succeed in the tank. What did you think of the Bookleaf Publishing pitch? Do you think the sharks missed out on a golden opportunity, or was their assessment of the business on point? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might be interested in the future of IPR. Because in a world full of ideas, the real game is in owning and protecting them. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay smart, and see you in the next video.